you are going to start working. Endless work. Trust me. I don't forgive.
Wahala be like bicycle, my people. Lady of song don come out. E don send this little message to all those people wey be say they no wan use eye take see am. My people, na know say na so some of our people be o. They no good o. They no leave person wey good. They no go leave am make e drink water, drop cup. Since this woman in name just dey reign, they want make dem, I no know as I want to talk, and they just dey draw this woman up and down. The time when this woman never dey see food dey eat, wey be say no dey, na only she dey carry im children dey go. Nobody see am that time o. Iyama see your boss your well. Why e be say that God come say it is your time to shine? Why dem want dey draw this woman up and down? It's very bad for some of our people the way wey dem take dey do. Nobody know that woman that time o. Egano saboy when you hear you look by your bono ya there, you know. Una want me una off the light. Not be say them go fit to that one a normal thing. Because person where God don't bless, nobody go fit cause that person or bring that person down. I will put her video, make una listen to some message where be say she sends out. Because since then do the husband birthday, our people just dey shout up and down for social media. Na their life, mona sometimes mona see the reason. Na their life, as far as say their husband dey there, anything wey dem do, the husband not talk. Who come be you and me wey because say one carry their matter put for head, come dey sell and they go like gala. You get your own for body. Everybody get their own for body. So nobody dey perfect. As far as say your husband like you like that, the way with anything wey they do, why we go come dey tell am the way they wanted they do their thing? Sometimes you have to reason before you dey talk something where you dey talk because you not dey perfect. Sometimes you still dey do wetin not dey sure, but nobody dey come dey ask you. This woman never sit down one day come dey tell people the way they want to live their life, make una do one like this or make una not do one like this. So my people, I will put her video, una listening to the message where be say she sent out to all those people where be say una bye bye for now. But let me share this video. Leave your comment on this video, like and share. Follow my page Untouchable Mama backup page Untouchable Mama. Follow me on my YouTube Unto Mama TV. Now me still get time, my people. God bless you as you do. Una bye bye for now. Sometimes me una no go forget una na the truth.
When they happy when your friends or your family they progress, secretly body they pay you.
Yeah, man,
you don't go reach your hands.
Yeah, man,
I don't tell God, He not go give you. You will say, you go just see your friends, your neighbor. They happy. God do something for them. It go remain small, make you just open ground, make you enter. You know what I say? The jealousy of this generation is witchcraft. You know, say now witchcraft. That Bible take describe jealousy. It's a witchcraft. The one of this generation, now be wizard. You will at the pepper when you see your neighbor progressing, you go struggle for life. You go walk like Jackie. You not go see forwardness. You not go reach your hand because anytime you see say person progress, body they prepare you. Your body go dey prepare you so say you dey pray say make the person come up for this life for me. The goodness of God not go reach your hand. You go old, you go labor, you go old. Because you don't get joy for anybody, you don't get joy for all the progress. Jealousy won't kill you. The goodness of God not go reach your hand. Go and mark it. You go dey walk they go dey say wetin dey happen. Why you say happy dey walk happy dey walk not be wetin my maid dey do I see dey do. Why is your own not getting better? It's because of that jealousy spirit, witchcraft in you that you could not remove. You not fit tell us say Satan get thee behind me, flee out of me. I refuse to have this spirit of jealousy. See, jealousy is a spirit. When it possesses you, you can never in life make it. When the spirit of jealousy possesses you, you can never make it. You may be faking it to people that you have arrived. Within you, you know that you don't meet your mate. You know nothing there for you, you know. Not until you rebuke that spirit, you tell that spirit, say, get behind me, Satan. I want to be happy with people that are happy. I want to rejoice with people that are rejoicing. Not until then, you will fake it and you get beer for your pickles. You go get beer for your brokers. Money not go come, forwardness not go come, progress not go come. That's how God they pay people when they jealous of other people. That's how God they pay them. That's how they pay them. Jealousy is witchcraft. It's not good. It's bad. Make una stop. Make una stop. Everybody get it time. Now hear me so. Everybody get it time. Nobody they jealous poor man. Nobody they jealous who they suffer. Nobody they want envy who they suffer. Say that you're suffering, I beg, and they envy. I want acquire from her. I want obtain her. Nobody. They make you just feel they feed yourself small. Say, you know, they go, they meet them again, go, they beg them for a cup of gari. You see the way they will all gang up against you. They will all gang up against you. Before you know it, if you don't take time, say your family said will gang up against you. Now so they be. But you see this life, God is too faithful to fail. This song when you play for you go repeat them for me. Because when God assign you, appoint you, select you, when God give you an assignment, He go must back you up. He go must stay there for you. Because you see this life where we dey so. I use that to say the ways of God is not the ways of man. This life is full of mystery that you can never understand. You cannot comprehend it. You go see how it be, you not fit. Before you say me, you find out God don't want that chapter. Who came where you are going to you cannot understand the ways of God. So make una take them easy. Make una take them easy. Make una take them easy. Because everybody get their own for body. Everybody get their own for body. This stuff is so everybody share them small. You see this regime, you know they okay for anybody. I want manage that Suzamaya. You know they okay for anybody. If you are depressed, look for a therapist. Look for a therapist. Because whatever you do today, you will not go free. Because ignorance is not an excuse for law. It's not an excuse. You will say, I don't know, let me go break that law. Where they say anybody will break them, go must serve J terms, or they go buy them. You go out of ignorance, go to one. You say you don't know. It's not an excuse. Law go catch you. Karma go catch you. Whatever you do today, karma is waiting for you. And the law of karma is waiting for you, because they say whatsoever a man soweth, he shall reap. Whatsoever you sow into anybody's life, you will reap it. You will reap it. It will not be now, but when that time comes for you to enjoy, when it's time for you to relax or sit down and relax, say, oh, God has answered me, you will start reaping what you sow from left and right, back and front. You will be crying, what have I done? You have done it yesterday and it has been waiting for you. You will meet it. Do you understand me? You will meet it. But mind you, I'm a new person. For those that love me, for my fans, I've told you people before, I will never disappoint you guys. You will not regret why you supported lady, or so why you say, I love this lady. But you see, you that said you want to fight this woman for no cause, I give you some time, you will start fighting yourself.
Amen. Amen.
God is going to make sure you will wake up one day and start fighting yourself. You fight yourself for the rest of your life.
So shall it be.
You go see fight, you go tire, you go want rest.
So shall it be. So shall it be.
You will fight for the rest of your life. Because it's what you ask for. Because they don't wait. I don't know one your one. I put no one. Everybody have the right to live their life the way they want to live it.
Exactly.
By that time you said, I want to resign, I am not tired, I don't want to insult this woman again. God is going to give you a fight that you will fight for the rest of your life.
Amen.
You are catching cruise. You think you are catching cruise. By the time God will catch cruise with you, the one otuniyo wa yeye many wa me weri abewe, you will be a scapegoat. You will be a scapegoat.
So, yes, no, so anything so you reap.
Because me, I know they find person trouble. I just they do my own, they go. My music, my family is my priority. Whatever you do today, I didn't even they pray for you. Machine of the year, everybody. If I want prayer, they pray. Say anybody when it be say it don't fail, cause me pain. You don't cause me pain. I don't know you. You don't know me, but you decide to cause me pain. Anytime you forget yourself, you can't forget yourself. If I don't know you, I mistakenly pray for you, that prayer will be a problem. Because the Bible said so. It said, give food to your enemy, give them water when they are thirsty. In so doing, you are heaping a coal of fire upon their head. I may not know you, but if I mistakenly pray for you or help you in any way, it will become more problem to you.
Of course.
Because I don't know you, you don't know me, you have no rights to insult me. If you do, by the time you are tired, you are going to start working. Endless work. Trust me. I don't forgive. Most especially when you are not even up to my own child. You wake up one day and begin to join the trend to use Lady of Sons family to build up your page, to gain popularity. My dear, you will sit down in one place. When the time comes, you're going to sit down in one place. I promise you.
Amen.
Amen, definitely.